Hi, and thank you for choosing LiveBoard 360. In today's video, we're going to go over the fleet board. This is where you can enter fleet vehicles, whether you are using them for your operations or they're vehicles for sale on your lot. Each vehicle you can enter a vehicle number, the status, the vehicle year, make, and model, and you can assign it to a person, a department, or put its location there. Let's take a look. System admins for LiveBoard can add, enter, and edit any vehicle into the system. Vehicle VIN number, the tag number, you can do sales price if it's for sale, photos, the assigned person, and the add a service location. So if Brian team member is assigned a vehicle, we could actually put his home address if we wanted to. That's purely up to you. You also can attach vehicle service records through uploads. Team members can take pictures of invoices or work orders that have been completed on the vehicle and upload them from their mobile phone. Also, each vehicle is assigned a unique QR code that is specific for that vehicle. So you could download any QR reader onto your mobile device, scan this QR code to get to that particular vehicle information. So if you wanted to actually print out stickers, you are able to do that from the main dashboard on print QR codes. This will allow you to print them out and put them, if you'd like to, on those vehicles or in an area where you can scan that information. Now you also have vehicle service tickets. This is where admin and users can enter service tickets into the system from wherever and even update it with pictures from invoices or whatever you need. As you can see, we have a service ticket that was put in today and it's open. The routine maintenance for this vehicle. Let's take a look. Routine maintenance. We don't know if it's under warranty. We know the current vehicle mileage. Right now the vehicle's current location is at Bob's Quick Lube and the keys are in the office. Brian team members requesting an oil change and tire rotation. Here we can add comments back into the system to stay updated with this ticket. Let's say there's an oil leak and we maybe need a new gasket. That's something that would be needed repairs part of this that we could add into it as an administrator. Now let's say it has been taken care of, we got the oil change, we got everything into the system that we wanted to. As an administrator, we can change the status of this ticket to closed. Once it's closed, it's already done and it stays there for your records. These service ticket numbers are unique for each service ticket. This is the fleet board management system for LiveBoard 360. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at information@liveboard360.com. Thank you.